Good morning, students. Class 5 Hot Desert. A desert is an area that receives low amount of rainfall, usually less than 25 cm, 10 inches in a year. Deserts are found in both hemispheres. First of all, we know that hot desert, those are which are found between 15 degree to 30 degree north and south of the equator. They lie near the Tropic of Cancer and the Tropic of Capricorn. There is very little moisture in the air in deserts. Days are extremely hot and nights tend to be very cold. Some examples of hot deserts in the world are: first, the Sahara and Kalahari in Africa, the Patagonia Desert in South America, the third desert in India and Pakistan, the Great Australian Desert in Australia, the Mexican Desert in Mexico, Arabian Desert in South Arabia. We know that climate in desert are the hottest regions on earth. They have extreme weather condition with scanty rainfall, above 50 degree centigrade in day and up to 10 degree centigrade at night. Plant life. Trees or shrubs have long roots that penetrate deep down in search of water. These are mostly thorny plants. Their stems are thick and fleshy that help them to store water. Most plants do not have leaves. Some example of plants are cactus, acacia, babul, bottle tree example also. Next step, we know that animal life. The extreme weather of desert imposes many limitations as far as supporting life is concerned. Some animals found in the desert are the kangaroo, rat, jackrabbit, scorpion, and lizard. The most important and useful animals found here is the camel, which is called the sheep of the desert. It can store water in its hump and survive without food and water many days. It has long legs and padded feet, thick eyelashes, which comfortable them and protect them. Next step, human life. A desert has a hostile environment. Despite this, hot deserts has a rich culture. Example, Beduinos. Beduinos are the inhabitants of North Africa and Arabia. Main occupation of in desert region: trading, farming, mining, and animal rearing. Modern life in the hot desert. With the help of modern technology, people in desert have started using advanced irrigation systems and handle water storage in farming. Through the method of desalinization, salty water in processed in potable water it is very expensive process, hence it can be practiced only in large scales. Today many deserts are rich for wild area and people can afford motor vehicles, thus flyovers and roads have been constructed in some desert cities to make travel easy and comfortable. Thanks.